Hi guys, in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-sign in sa Pancake. So, type nyo lang yung pancake.ph sa browser nyo and then sign in. Pagka-sign in nyo, click nyo lang yung edit settings. And then, pag nandito na kayo sa edit settings, click nyo lang yung next. And then, click nyo lang yung all pages na naka-assign sa inyo or yung all pages na hawak nyo. Select all, then next. And then, wala na kayong gagawin dito. Lahat yan naka-check na. So, wala nang i-edit. And then, done. So, click OK. As you can see here, you've now linked Pancake version 2 to Facebook. Click nyo lang yung OK. And, let's wait lang na mag-loading. And that's it. You're on the Pancake interface. Thank you. See you on the next video.